Here's where his trouble's going to begin. In these tires. Woo-hoo! That little speed there, Chevy. And that's Mr. Castaneda.
And back. So they're going to get some speeds right in front of you guys. Why don't you guys show these lawnmower guys some love? Let's cheer them on here now. This can be an issue. There's always something with these guys. You're going to have a pit stop every once in a while. Kind of like NASCAR. They're going to go around in circles here and you just never know who's going to end up on top of this. There's always somebody. A few years ago we had somebody in the mud pit. We've had lost wheels, we've had wrecks, we've had rollovers.
There's the dynamo up front.
We're in the lead right now.
Now Ethan out front, taking a commanding lead in that dynamo power unit. Oh, Ethan in second place. Now the other dynamo unit. Jeff Friesen's in the other dynamo unit.
So Jeff, he's way out in front.
Where did Ethan go? He's a little off track there. He's sitting up on the dirt pile up there. He got stuck. He's going to pull himself down.
I guess he decided he was going to take on the tough truck track there instead of the oval track.
Jeff lapping a couple of stock units. He's driving a modified unit there. You can tell it's two stock guys. They're a little bit further back. They ran them all together.
He wants to make up a little ground. Give him a run for his money.
Unfortunately, he's been lapped once already.
Oh, Ethan just about in the mud there. Those dynamo units started out, I believe, as 18 horsepower V-twin brakes. They're putting somewhere north of 60 horsepower in them now.
Wow. Small tires, you can see them kind of drifting around the corners there. But Jeff has
So Ethan can make this up. He's a half lap back. He's still in the hunt here, guys.
They're duking it out.
Watch him fly around this corner.
Just ripping. Look at him go. Woo-hoo.
smaller ones are basically stock. They're basically stock units with just pulley modifications and the governor's on them. Dynamo units, as I mentioned, those are much modified V-twin brakes upwards of 60 horsepower.
Now, we're going to bring out some super modified lawnmowers. I'm going to go through the sheets here. We got some guys. You've seen this guy before. Blaine Lubinsky, Gen Machining ThinkWorks, sponsored by. He's got a 350 Banshee engine. It's General Mo Orange, is what he likes to call it. And Aaron Cote in lawnmower. Or not. He's got the Sportsman 800 Turbo. The Solid Father. It's like Scott. Then we got Patrick GSG Welding Services. He's got a Yamaha R1 engine. He's the silver one. You'll see him coming out. Now, Gary Baker's got the Indy 600 Triple. It's the blue unit in the super. And then we got Grand Pool. It says special thanks to Baby Jesus and 500 sled engine in that one. So there's your 5 Supermod lawnmowers. They're going to bring them out, get them lined up, and Garnet's going to start them off here right away.
Garnet's had quite the day. He'll be hammered by 10. Even had to put rubber boots on today.
Here we go.
One went off the goddamn course.
Here comes Aaron around in that turbo with the little 800. In the corner. Here's right over.
He broke his stack.
Top heavy.
Here he comes. He's ripping.
Yeah, the triple 600 horse and all sorts of stuff. Wayne, unfortunately, he's over on the side. He's ruled this class for many years. Aaron Cote. He's out way in front now.
It's like a...
That's Patrick with the R1 engine, half a lap behind.
I don't have my brush out to just wipe it
And
off.
he's trying to catch up to Aaron. Will there be enough laps? Aaron's got to do something here for Patrick to catch him. He's got that little turbo unit dialed right in. He's at all summer. There's Patrick. That's got that R1 Yami engine in it. Very long wheelbase as compared to most of the other guys out here. That's all she wrote, so you